In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule posts in Google Classroom. By the end, you'll be able to plan an announcement now and have it go live exactly when you want without needing to be at your computer. First, head to the Google Classroom homepage. From the dashboard, click into the class where you want to schedule your message. If you're following along with a sample class, that works too. The process is the same across all classes. Once you're inside the class, go to the stream and choose New Announcement. This opens the announcement editor. Type your message clearly so students immediately understand what it's about. You can add links, files, or drive attachments as needed and keep the tone concise so the most important details stand out. Think of the first line as your headline. Students will often see that first. Instead of posting right away, look to the post button and click the small drop-down arrow next to it. From that menu, choose Schedule. This tells Classroom you want to pick a future publish time. In the scheduling panel, click the calendar field to open the date picker. Select the date you want this announcement to appear. After choosing the date, confirm it by clicking OK. Now set the exact time you want it to go live. Be precise here. If you want it to greet students first thing, an early morning time works great. If it's a reminder before class, pick a time that gives them enough notice. When your date and time look right, click Schedule to finalize. Classroom will save it and mark it to publish automatically at the time you selected. Students won't see anything until that scheduled moment. To double check, you'll see the announcement listed with a scheduled label. Click the highlighted scheduled item to review the details and make sure the content, date, and time are all correct. If something needs adjustment, you can edit the scheduled item and update the timing or wording before it goes live. A few quick tips as you plan. Keep time zones in mind if you work with students in different locations, and aim to schedule important messages with enough lead time for students to act. If you attach files or links, verify access permissions now so no one is blocked later. That's it, you've scheduled an announcement in Google Classroom, ensuring it posts exactly when your students need it, even if you're away.